Inspired by the geometry and orientation of the terrain, the Stradella Ridge house features a robust, angular form. Upon entering the property, sharp and fragmented lines present themselves, with angled, massive walls guiding us toward the entrance. In contrast to the street-facing facade in metal and concrete, here we find earthy surfaces of smooth travertine. This luxurious residence in Bel Air was designed by South African firm SAOTA, along with American architect and investor David Maman and Belgian interior designer Dieter Vander Velpen. The contrast between the external entrance and the open living area inside the house is impressive. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor spaces, merging the main living areas with the pool terrace. The architecture shapes the views, providing privacy when needed, while incorporating the calmness and serenity of the landscape into the heart of the house. Fluid and curved forms, and a simple palette of stone, wood, and bronze create a unified and sculptural quality. Natural materials and organic shapes provide warmth and well-being. The circular marble kitchen island is carved from a single piece. The house nestles on a steep triangular plot, offering breathtaking canyon views extending from Century City to the ocean. The circular marble bathtub is also carved from a single piece. The design of the house emphasizes expansive views over the pool terrace and the canyon slopes. Architecturally, the project balances solidity and lightness, angularity and curvature, urban presence, and panoramic views, resulting in a striking architectural statement and a welcoming and protective environment. The upper level is surrounded by white aluminum vertical screens, a feature that hovers above a monolithic concrete base. This massive element, which gives character to the main facade of the house, is interrupted by a single undulation in its otherwise uniform surface, its lightness contrasting with the solid and tactile concrete on which it hovers.